Grand jurors set to convene in New York City again today with the political and legal fate of Donald Trump in their hands. After a surprising decision Wednesday to keep the grand jurors home, Manhattan DA Alvin Bragg is expected to reconvene the body hearing evidence in the 2016 Stormy Daniels hush money case. Mr. Trump taunting the DA on social media as a, quote, rogue prosecutor who's having a hard time with the grand jury, suggesting no charges will be brought against him. The grand jury has been meeting for nearly 2 months, hearing testimony from witnesses including former Trump fixer turned Trump critic Michael Cohen, who paid $130,000 in 2016 to buy Daniels' silence, alleging Mr. Trump eventually paid him back. The former president has denied any wrongdoing.
I have facts. I have truth.
While hush money payments are not illegal, the DA could potentially charge Mr. Trump with falsifying business records. How does an indictment usually play out? The prosecution gathers the grand jury to read the possible charges. Then the jurors vote. If 12 vote in favor, prosecutors draw up an indictment and the foreperson signs it. The indictment is then officially filed under seal, meaning the public doesn't see it at first. At that point, prosecutors contact defense attorneys to coordinate a time for the defendant to voluntarily surrender, and a judge makes the indictment public. Another legal setback for Mr. Trump today in the special counsel's classified documents investigation. A judge ruled last Friday, in secret, that there was enough evidence that Mr. Trump may have committed crimes through his lawyers in that case to create an exception to his attorney-client privilege, meaning one of his lawyers, Evan Corcoran, can be forced to testify and hand over documents.
You could end up with Evan Corcoran as a key fundamental witness against Donald Trump in an obstruction of justice case, a false statements case out of the Mar-a-Lago documents.
Mr. Trump denies any wrongdoing in that documents case. Now, returning to the New York case, today is the last day the grand jury is scheduled to meet this week. And the New York Times is reporting this morning that they could hear testimony from one additional witness, according to sources with knowledge of the matter. Craig.
Our senior Capitol Hill correspondent, Garrett Haake, for us. Garrett, thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. Don't miss the Today Show every weekday at 11 a.m. Eastern, 8 Pacific on our streaming channel, Today All Day. To watch, head to today.com/allday or click the link right here.